Welcome to a new episode of Health Basket. October 12th is World Arthritis Day. So on this day, we are going to see a little bit about arthritis. What is arthritis? Everybody thinks it's a disease. No. Arthritis is nothing but degenerative changes in your joints, where your weight-bearing joints, they get worn out because of age and usage. This happens for every person. Like your car tires getting worn out as you drive, even your joints that bear weight, like your knee joint, hip joint, ankle joints, these joints, they get worn out with age and usage. There is a protection on the bone which you call as cartilage. This cartilage has got a life. As you keep walking, the cartilage slowly starts getting worn out and the protection of the joint goes away. When the bone gets exposed and when it starts getting rubbed against one another, this is called arthritis. There are two types of arthritis. One is the degenerative arthritis, which happens for everyone, and there is an arthritis which is secondary, which is caused because of diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, gouty arthritis, psoriasis. There are so many diseases which cause arthritis. The common form of arthritis is degenerative arthritis, which happens for every person. The most common symptom that everybody complains is of pain. Patients or people who are above the age of 60 years, with usage, they start developing degeneration of their joints, which causes pain. This pain you feel when you walk, when you climb stairs, when you squat on the floor, and also sometimes when you sleep. This is the most common symptom or complaints with which we see a patient with arthritis. The other common symptom is difficulty in walking. Patients, they have difficulty in walking. Sometimes they limp, sometimes they sway to one side or the other when they walk. This is another common symptom which they complain of with arthritis. The other common symptom is not able to sit on the floor, like squatting, or they're not able to use Indian commodes. They hear a noise in the joint, bend and extend their knees. This is the other symptom that they feel. Last is difficulty or pain while sleeping with disturbance in sleep. Whenever they sleep, when they turn around in their bed, they cause this, the arthritis causes pain, and this causes them to disturb sleep. This is the other common symptom which they complain of in arthritis.
மேலும் பல மருத்துவ குறிப்புகளை சிறந்த மருத்துவர்களிடமிருந்து பெற ஹெல்த் பாஸ்கெட் யூடியூப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்க. ரெகுலர் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனுக்கு பெல் ஐக்கனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. மேலும் பல உடல்நல குறிப்புகளை பெற ஹெல்த் பாஸ்கெட் சமூக வலைத்தளங்களோடு இணைந்திருங்க. Protect yourself from the COVID-19 pandemic by building your immune system. Let us join hands to make the world healthy.